Hello, my ICTB students. This is assignment 4, and I think you're starting to get the hang of tables, so you'll find this one quite easy. So take a look, and you will see the first picture is column 1, then Heartland Tractor is column 2, and then the third picture is column 3. So we got 3 columns, and how many rows? Well, the picture is 1, date is 2, from is 3, please call is 4, page is 5, return to 6, and message is 7. Alright, so you want to go to, make sure you got no spacing turned on, and you're on a blank document, and now go to Insert, Table, and we want it to be 7 rows by 3 columns. So 3 by 7, 3 columns by 7 rows. Alright, that's good. Alright, now we want to make this row, note my horizontal bar, double head arrow, and drag it down, something like that, so it looks good. Alright, and then here, before we go any further, I think we used 0.4 here. So we're going to go to your 4-headed arrow, right click, and we're going to go to Table Properties. What do we do first? Table, Center. What do we do next? Row, specify the height, and I want you to go with 0.4. And cell, vertical alignment, center. Say OK. So now they're all the same height. Alright, now I'm going to drag this down to about there to give you an idea. Alright, so we want the words Heartland and press enter here, Tractor and press enter, Magazine. Whoa, Magazine. Alright, so now take a look. They should be centered, so Control E, and you want to have some expanded spacing, right? So let's go to Home. Remember, go to your Font dialog box, launch your arrow, and you want to, in font, you want small caps. No, I don't think they use small caps, but expanded spacing, so Advanced, and here we want to put in, let's put in about 5 or 6 and see what it looks like. Okay, that looks pretty good. Bold it. That's what we want. And then I forgot. Okay, but this is all right. So learning experience here. Press enter, and I should have had phone message, right? If I start to type, what have I got? Expanded spacing. So I don't want that. Okay. So remember, hold down your control key, press your space bar. All right. Now type a little bit, and you can see you're into normal. Take off your caps lock and press enter one more time and type phone message, and yours should be exactly the same as mine, except that now we need to bold it, so go Shift Home and go Control B for bold. So I used Control Spacebar to turn off the expanded spacing, so remember that. And in this cell, we want to go to Layout, and you want to have Center, Center. Okay, that's good. And now, let me just check something here. If I take out this paragraph symbol, yes. Take out that paragraph symbol so that you've got some space up here and space up here. All right, let's go to Date. So type in Date, and then let's, Shift F3, put on your capital letter, and then put in From. And I see there's a colon here, so therefore I got to go back and put it on here. And I see time is here, so time, colon. All right, now what we want to remember is that we want to put these ones on the top of the cell. So we want to go to Layout up here under Table Tools, and we want to go top left so that we've got them right at the top of the cell. All right, and now we want this to be merged, so right click, merge cells. That one's pretty easy. Date is there, time is there, that's fine. Okay, now we want to go here and we want to say please call. And then we're going to key in the rest. Okay, so we keyed in our items here. Please call, page due, and so on. And now we need our bullets, all right? So we're going to select them. And we want that nice square. So we're going to go to Home, and we're going to go to our Bullets button. And we can't, I can see the nice square, but I just want to practice you on it. So I want you to go to Define New Bullets. I want you to go to symbol, and we're going to go to wingdings, okay? Wingdings, not webdings, but wingdings. And there's the nice square. So let's take that one. Note the character code is 113. So if you want to use that, anytime you say, oh, I know my favorite square is 113, you put the number in here, and that's it. All right, now say OK, and go to font. And what color are we going to go in here? I'm going to say it looks like maybe spring or fall. Let's go with green, okay? So let's go with our font color here. Let's go with green. And size 12 is good. Bold is fine. I don't have any problems with that. Say OK. All right, and now say OK, and there's your bullets. But what's wrong? Remember, we got to point to our left indent. Okay, hold on. I'm going to move one here. Point to our left indent and bring it over to the dark gray and the white. And 2 ticks will be okay on this one. And now go to your paintbrush, and you're going to paint, and you're going to paint. Okay, good work. Now, phone is here, but by is supposed to be top left. So let's go to layout and make it top left. I'm just making you aware to pay attention to, is it the top left or is it left center? Now, message, let's come down to message, and it was top left, so click on top left, and we want to merge the cells. So right click, hold on here. Oops, I didn't mean to move that. Okay, what I wanted to do was select the whole row, right click and say merge cells. All right, and then we want to drag this one down so that it looks similar to mine. Okay, we got one thing left to, or 2 things left to do. We got pictures to put in here, but note the line here. We got to take this line out. So we're going to select the cell, and it doesn't matter whether I select this cell and take the right side off, or if I select this cell and take the left side off. It's the same thing. So let's select this, and we'll take the right side off. So you're going to go to Home, you're going to go to Borders and Shading, and you're going to take the right side off. All right, now take a look. Can you see a dotted line telling you that the cell is there? You haven't merged it. All you've done is taken out the lines. If you can't, I want you to go to Layout, okay? Go to Layout on Table Tools, and you see View Grid Lines? I'm going to take mine off, and you see now you can't see it. Put them back on, and you can see the dotted line there. So I want you to be able to see your dotted lines. So remember, Layout, View Grid Lines. Okay, that's good. Now we save your work. Oh, we haven't saved it at all. So let's go File, Save As. All right, and we're going to go to your U drive. So go to your U drive. We want to go to ICTB, and we want to go to Tables. All right, and now we are to call this one Heartland Phone Message. So type in your name, put in the current date for you, and put in Heartland Phone Message. And not a massage, it's message. M-E-S-S-A-G-E. So make sure you get that right and save it. All right, now your pictures, you're free to choose anything. So let's go to Insert. Let's go to Online Pictures. And let's search for, let's try farmland. Maybe just farm and see what we get. Okay, so here's a couple we can use. It doesn't matter. If you want one like this, what else is there? Let's have a look. Okay, not a whole lot. All right, I'm going to choose this one. Okay. Oh, no, maybe this is closer to, no, this is likely closer to Manitoba. So let's go to Insert. Okay. Now, watch what's going to happen. I got 2 pictures coming in. Did you see? They grew the size very large. So 2 things we have to do here, okay? We have to grab the corner handle and size them down. But the other thing we need to do is we want to say in front of text. So I want you to go here and say in front of text. Okay, now grab this one, grab a corner handle, okay, and grab a corner handle. Now, you could have went to the internet, of course, and got different pictures, better ones, or maybe put in tractor and you would have got a better picture. All right, and again, we want to say in front of text. Now, where did our other one go? Here it is. Okay, so let's get it up there. Okay, so here, I'm going to put your picture here. Now, remember, we always grab a corner handle, and we don't want to make it any bigger than the cell that we have for it to stay in. And the same here. I'm going to move this up a little bit, and we'll grab a corner handle, and there we have your picture. Okay, this one isn't this big, so let's make it a little bit bigger to kind of match. Now, if we want these perfectly aligned, you would click on the first one, hold down your Shift key, and click on the second one. And then remember, we go to Format, and this time we will say Align their bottoms. Or we could align their middles. That's good. Now they're perfectly aligned. So that's good. We're happy with that. All right, so there's your pictures, and that's what you were supposed to do in that one. So now we'll stop here, save it, and then we'll stop and